Here is our Fetters window unit air conditioner. This is in our big storage building. It's from 1995. Let's look at the other side of it. Showing a little bit of rust underneath. But other than that, it's obviously a pretty good unit. The reason on why we have an air conditioner in the storage building is usually like whenever we would maybe clean it out, like in the summertime, where it gets really hot down here. We just turn it on, just stay cool. So let's go inside. Give you a look. And then here it is inside. See there, Fetters. It's 14 years old. We've got this at Home Depot. Doesn't have very much run time on it though. Never have really had anything done to it. Runs good. It's really quiet. I'll turn it on here in a minute. Just hear how quiet it is. You see right from here is where the air filter is. It's never even been cleaned out before. I think in order to clean it, you just have to take this whole thing completely off just to get access to the filter. That's kind of the only bad thing about it. Where usually some other brand of window unit air conditioners usually just have a separate piece. Other than that, it's pretty good. Pretty good unit. Still looks clean inside. It's a little dusty on top though. See, there's the switches. And let's turn this thing on. I'm going to start out on low speed with just the fan running. This is obviously a 3-speed motor. Only 2 speeds with just the fan on, and then 3 speeds with the air conditioning on. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. Let's go outside and hear how it sounds. Now we're outside. I don't know if you can hear her, but she is running. It's just the fan only. Fan, yeah, and again the fan only. Pretty quiet. You see inside there's the compressor. I'll turn it on here in a minute. Okay, so now here's high speed with just the fan only. Still pretty quiet. Now let's go outside and listen to it. There's what the fan sounds like outside. Just the fan only on high speed. The cool air blowing out from the coils here. Alright, now put it on high cool. Let's see if maybe if the compressor will come on or not. This thing hasn't even ran in quite a long time. Hadn't ran since in the summer. Usually whenever I cut the grass, instead of going in the house, I usually come in here just to cool off and turn this thing on. So let's see if it'll come on. Yep. That air is already nice and cool. And now let's listen to it outside. And here it is outside with the compressor running. Real quiet. You probably still hear the carrier running in the background. I hear it sound a lot better right here. Right here's where the compressor is. Yeah, a little rusty right here. At least it ain't quite rusted through yet. That's usually whenever this thing runs a while, but all the condensation is stripped out from here. Which that's kind of common on these window unit ACs. Now let's listen to it one more time inside. This air is nice and cool. Even though it's not even that stuffy in here. Yeah, nice and cool. Not too bad, even though this thing's never had any maintenance done to it. Never had the compressor recharged. Probably because this thing doesn't really run that much. I guess you can say that this thing is pretty much near mint. But except for, well, on the outside though, it's kind of showing its age. So there you have it. The Fetters window unit air conditioner. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.